Hello guys, and welcome to Beamer. Today I'm going to change the air filter on my 1 Series, which is a 116i, which has the N13 engine. I shall show you how to do it. Let's go and have a look. But first of all, I have to try and turn my car around without getting stuck. It actually took me about 30 minutes to turn this car around, which was a pain in the popper. Anyway, first of all, pull the bonnet release twice, then open the bonnet. This funny black plastic looking thing is where the air filter is located. The air filter I got was a F10 79L, though next time I should just spend a few extra pounds and buy the proper BMW one, as in my opinion the fit is nicer. You will see 4 metal clips which you will need to release. You may need a flat-headed screwdriver for this. Pull up on this black rubber thing, and then pull up on the left hand corner to help release the cover from the fixing. Now you have access to the filter. Pull out the old filter and you will see mine is a bit dirty. I will change my air filter more often than BMW recommends, mainly due to the dust pollution in Moscow. Also, clean out the housing. If you have access to electricity, use a hoover. When fitting the filter in, make sure it's placed in properly so nothing is sticking up slightly out of place. Now, you need to lift the lower filter housing so you can clip the unit into place with those 4 metal clips. It should clip in nice and easily. Any difficulty means there's something not aligned properly, which is not good at all. Once the unit is nicely clipped into place, go over to the top left hand side and press this area down until it's nice and snug. Then you will need to press this area down onto the black rubber mounting. It can be a bit of a nightmare, to be honest. You may need to use a flathead screwdriver to help assist the rubber through the hole. Now, make sure everything is in place. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked the video, please like, share and subscribe. It helps with my motivation to make more videos. Take care.